Hey, Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com, and we got a great question from Anthony in North Carolina, and he was wanting to know, number one, should he remove insulation and re-insulate his crawl space? And number two, is a dehumidifier necessary? Stay tuned. Okay, Anthony in North Carolina, number one, the insulation. You had mentioned whenever you had asked us the question that you do not have any apparent mold damage or structural issues around the insulation, even when you pulled it back. The only time we remove insulation is when we have to address a mold issue. It is possible for the crawl space to dry out, even leaving the insulation in place, okay? But just keep in mind that just because you don't see the mold doesn't mean it's not there, because mold always starts out microscopically. So if you've got high humidity levels, over 60%, and you've got a high wood moisture level, probably 16, 17, 18% or higher, that is a good environment for the mold to grow. So just because you don't see it growing doesn't mean it's not there. And I can't tell you how many homeowners have said, oh yeah, there's no mold down in the crawl space, and I get down there and there's mold everywhere. So anyway, to answer your question, only remove the insulation if you are either just wanting to insulate the walls, but why would you want to go through that expense unless you needed to address a mold problem? The second question is a dehumidifier necessary? Yes, a dehumidifier is always necessary unless you can figure out another way to control humidity. And keep in mind, I'm using the word control, year-round humidity. Now, if you live in Colorado where humidity is low year-round, don't need a dehumidifier. But if you live in North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, and some, Ohio, all these other places where we have humidity problems and we have wet summers and we have wet winters, we're going to always have a humidity problem year round. So keep in mind the word is control, all right? And a dehumidifier is the most cost-effective way that does not put a strain on your heating and air unit and is the best way as far as we have found to control humidity on a regular annual basis. So great question. My name is Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com. We hope you like this video down below, and please share it with everybody on social media. We'll see you later. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching.